If Photopea is lagging, freezing, or feeling slow every time you zoom, brush, or move layers, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix the Photopea lagging problem step by step so you can get smoother performance and get back to editing without all the frustration. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and design tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to check is WebGL hardware acceleration. This is one of the biggest reasons Photopea can feel slow. If hardware acceleration is turned off in your browser, or if WebGL is not enabled inside Photopea, then your CPU has to handle all the rendering by itself, and that can cause heavy brush lag, zoom lag, and delayed movement across the canvas. To fix this, open Photopea and go to the top menu, then click More, and make sure Use WebGL is turned on. If it is already checked, that's good. If not, enable it right away. Next, open your browser settings. If you are using Chrome or Edge, go to Settings, then System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and turn it on. After that, relaunch your browser so the change can take effect. This one step alone can make a huge difference, especially if Photopea has been lagging during brushwork or while working with large files. Now let's move on to the next common fix, which is resetting the RAM heap and undo history. Photopea stores every action, brushstroke, adjustment, and edit in memory so you can undo your work. That means over time, the memory buffer fills up and the app can start stuttering or slowing down. If your file has been open for a long time, this is very likely part of the problem. To clear that out, first save your work. Press Command and S on Mac or Control and S on Windows, and make sure your PSD or project is saved. Then reload the browser tab using Command and R on Mac, or Control and R on Windows. Once the page refreshes, reopen the file. This resets the history buffer and gives Photopea a cleaner start, which can immediately reduce lag and make the app feel much smoother. Another major reason for Photopea lag is working with a canvas that is too large or set to a very high DPI. If you are designing something for the screen, you usually do not need a huge physical size or 300 DPI unless you are preparing for print. The larger the canvas and the higher the resolution, the more work Photopea has to do for every brush stroke, zoom, filter, and transform. To change this, go to Image, then Image Size. Check your document dimensions carefully. If you are working for digital use, consider lowering the DPI to 72 and reducing the pixel dimensions to only what you actually need. If your design is bigger than necessary, scaling it down can dramatically improve performance. This is especially helpful if you are editing banners, mockups, or complex layer artwork. Now let's fix another performance issue by rasterizing heavy smart objects and reducing brush smoothing. Smart objects are useful, but if you are stacking too many complex ones, Photopea has to keep processing them in real time, and that can slow things down. If you have a smart object or a complex vector group that is not being edited as a smart layer anymore, right-click it in the Layers panel and choose Rasterize. This converts it into a normal pixel layer, which is much easier for the browser to handle. Also, if you are using the brush tool, look at the top options bar and check the smoothness setting. High smoothing values can create delay because Photopea has to calculate the stroke path in real time. Set smoothness to 0% if you want the fastest response. This is one of the easiest ways to make drawing and painting feel more immediate. If Photopea is still lagging after that, it is a good idea to benchmark your system using PeaMark. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with Photopea itself or whether your computer or browser is the real bottleneck. Go to More, then click PeaMark. Run the CPU test and GPU test and check the results. If your CPU score is under 200 or your GPU score is close to 0, that usually means your system or browser is throttling performance. In that case, you may need to close other heavy tabs, update your browser, or use a machine with better graphics support. This test gives you a clearer picture so you are not guessing what is causing the slowdown. Finally, do not forget to clear your browser cache. Over time, cookies and cached site data can build up and affect how smoothly web apps run. If Photopea has been acting strangely, try clearing your browsing data for the site, or simply restart your browser completely. Sometimes a fresh session is enough to remove hidden performance issues and bring the app back to normal. So to quickly recap, if Photopea is lagging, first enable WebGL and browser hardware acceleration, then reset the RAM heap by reloading your file, lower the canvas resolution if it is too large, rasterize heavy objects and reduce brush smoothing, benchmark performance with PeaMark, and clear your browser cache if needed. If this tutorial helped you fix the Photopea lagging problem, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more editing tips and software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.